Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's me, Ayan Dinukhaiti. I am from First Graduate University Pendidikan Indonesia. It's an honor for me to be here with you in the Sixth Asian Education Symposium, Restructuring of Education in the Digital Era of Post-COVID-19 Virtual Conference, 7th until 8th November. My article is about gifted or intelligent children and lifelong education. Introduction. Children with special talent and special intelligence have their own unique way and style of learning that they can understand faster, work faster, and be smarter than with many required skills. This makes them very prominent. But there is a slight learning obstacle experienced by these gifted or intelligent children, namely that they are special learning enrichment. Instead of developing, there is a mishandling due to an inappropriate curriculum and cause bad things to happen to them. Preliminary. Specially gifted. According to Renzulli, Monk, and Bruxelles, 1985, a person can be said to be talented if he has above average intelligence, high creativity, and very high commitment to tasks. So gifted is someone who has a special uniqueness in the intellectual field in IQ above average, creativity, and high commitment according to the results. Research results. The technique and learning process must be adapted for each gifted and talented student to meet their unique educational needs, while the process of adapting education for gifted and talented students is carried out by developing a creative learning environment and supporting individualized instructional processes, the provision of different curriculum or curriculum differences. Differentiation curriculums needs to be done to special intelligent children in learning because their ability level are different from other children. Be it in attitude, behavior, cognitive, social, so different treatment is needed depending on which level the child is at. This curriculum will jumpstart its potential instead of differentiating the curriculum. It means that the curriculum is the same, only that it is adjusted depending on the level at which the child is different. Of course, one child with another has different readiness and thinking ability. So we need a curriculum that is tailored to the needs of the special intelligent children. This needs to be done to support the success of learning. If not, it will cause problem. He could be bored or feel lazy to study because for him there are no challenges and he feels learning is too easy. This is also influenced. This is also influenced by several factors, namely gender, age, appropriate socio-economic status, culture, certain individual characteristics such as task commitment, learning approach, and autonomy. that each individual has his own unique way of learning, such as intellectual activity, consistently concentrating, apply, and maintaining ideas. Process will concentrate, which are very different from each individual child with special talent or intelligence. It may necessary to individualize instruction for each child with special talent is very necessary. It is necessary for us, parents and teachers, as well as the community who are aware and know how to behave and provide the right treatment for children with special talent or intelligence. So collaboration are very important, not only between individual teachers starting at the elementary, middle and secondary level and higher education community group across country. So to realize a just education and education for all, including for children with special talent or special intelligence. So the problem of external children or children with special talent can be handled properly because several supporting factors have played an active role in supporting their learning success. Conclusion. The unique approach to teaching gifted and gifted set is very important in the way that the right way the students are selected and provided with the right educational services and according to their needs. So learning with a differentiation curriculum and an acceleration curriculum is needed to support the success of lifelong learning for children with special talent or intelligence. The achievement and creativity or special intelligence are closely related to their individual learning style. So it takes many different ways and activity methods as well as creative learning tests without instruction that will support their learning success. Recommendation. Developing potential gifted children to maximum ability of teacher at all school level to be able to understand the characteristic of gifted children learning. It is also expect the teacher pay attention to the student in the process of learning activity. If the teacher find a child with the concern. Thank you. Nih,